Hello, lovely learners. You are welcome to today's lesson. I'm Sarah Ewusiwa Cranton, your Basic 6 Maths facilitator. And this is our first lesson on division. Before we begin, I want to share the objectives for today with you. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to determine numbers that are divisible by 9. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to determine numbers that are divisible by 9. Learners, this is our objectives for today. Determining numbers that are divisible by 9 or numbers that are multiples of 9. Before we can do that, there is a rule that we must follow, and that rule is the divisibility rule of 9. Now let's look at the rule. That is the divisibility rule of 9. What does it say? It says a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. That is the rule, which is going to help us to determine numbers that are divisible by 9. I want you to take notes. Divisibility rule of 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Learners, I want you to take notes. Take your pen and your notebook and write it down. It will serve as a guide. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. And take note, all numbers that are divisible by 9 are divisible by 3. All numbers that are divisible by 9 are divisible by 3. We have done the divisibility rule of 3, and we know numbers that are divisible by 3. And we are saying that all numbers that are divisible by 9 are divisible by 3. Alright, I have some numbers here. Let's determine, or let's check if the numbers are divisible by 9. Alright, let's look at this number 18. Is 18 divisible by 9? Let's check and see. The rule says if the sum of it is divisible by 9, then it means that number is a multiple of 9. So let's check and see. You have 18 and the digits are 1 and then 8. So we will have 1 plus 8. And what is the sum of 1 and then 8? 1 plus 8 will give us 9. And learners, we all know that 9 is a multiple of 9. So the number 18 is divisible by 9. We have checked it. Alright, another example. Let's look at this. We have 516. 516. We want to check if this number is divisible by 9. Let's follow the rule. The sum of its digits. The digits are 5, 1, and then 6. So let's add everything and see. 5 plus 1 plus 6. And what is the sum? 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Learners, is 12 divisible by 9? We can still check and see. Let's do the 1 and then 2 and see. We can do it down here. 1 plus 2. And it will give us 3. 3 is not a multiple of 9. Therefore, the number 516 is not divisible by 9. Okay, another one. We have 5,229. We are moving forward. 5,229. Learners, let's check if this number is divisible by 9. The rule says sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then that number is a multiple of 9. So let's add all the digits and see. 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 9. Let's add everything and see. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. And then 9 plus 9 will give us 18. So is 18 divisible by 9? Yes, learners, 18 is divisible by 9. Or do you want us to check again? Okay, let's add the sum, which is 18. Let's add it and see if we will get 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. So, you see, 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 5,229 is divisible by 9. We can divide that number by 9 and there will be no remainder. Alright, another example. Okay, 4,032. 4,032. We want to check if the number is divisible by 9. So, can we do it together? Yes. Let's add the digits and see. So, this we will have 4 plus 0 plus 3 plus 2. So let's add the digits and see. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So interesting. Learners, the sum is 9. And we know 9 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 4,032 is a multiple of 9. Let's check it. Good. 4,032 is divisible by 9. We can divide this number and there will be by 9 and there will be no remainder. Let's try another one and see. 1,134. 1,134. Let's add all the digits and see. So we will have 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. And what is the sum, learners? Let's add together. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay. 9 is the multiple of 9. So 1,134 is divisible by 9. Let's try more. This time I'll give you 14. Is 14 divisible by 9? Let's add the digits and see. We have 1 and then 4. When we add 1 and then 4, the result or the sum will be 5. Is 5 divisible by 9? No, 5 is not divisible by 9. So the number 14 is not divisible by 9. When we divide it by 9, there will be a remainder. Alright, let's look at another one. 7,344. 7,344. We want to check if it is divisible by 9. And how are we going to do it? We must add all the digits, and if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then that number 7,344 is divisible by 9. But if the sum is not divisible by 9, let's try and see. So the digits are 7, 3, 4, and then 4. Let's add everything. 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4. And what is the sum? 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 4 will be 18. And is 18 divisible by 9? Yes, 18 is divisible by 9. 9 times 2 will give us 18. So it is a multiple of 9. Therefore, the number 7,344 is divisible by 9. Okay, I want you to try this for me, learners. $6,711. 6,711. Check if the number is divisible by 9. You have just 30 seconds to do it. Alright, I believe you are done. Let's do it together and see. We have to add all the digits. 6 plus 7 plus 1 plus 1. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. 14 plus 1 will be 15. Let's write it here. So let's write the result here, the sum. It will be 15. And is 15 divisible by 9? No, 15 is not divisible by 9. Therefore, 6,711 is not a multiple of 9. So we have crossed it. Let's try our hands on more example. 516. Is it divisible by 9? 516. Let's add all the digits and see. 5 plus 1 plus 6. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 plus 6 is 12. Is 12 divisible by 9? No, 12 is not divisible by 9. So the number 516 is not divisible by 9. When we divide it by 9, there will be a remainder. Okay, I have more examples for us to check. Okay, 98,108. 98,108. Let's check if that number is divisible by 9,818. Let's check if it is divisible by 9. Okay, and what are the digits? We have 8, 9, 8, 1, and then 8. Let's add everything. 9 plus 8 plus 1 plus 8. Let's write the results down here. Here we can add 9 and then 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 8 will give us 26. So when we add the digits of 9,818, we will get 26. And is 26 divisible by 9? If we are not sure, let's add 2 and then 6 again. When we add 2 to 6, we will get 8. You see, 8 is not divisible by 9. Therefore, 9,818 is not divisible by 9. Learners, let's try this as well. $2,979. 2,979. Is it divisible by 9 or is it a multiple of 9? Let's check. 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 9. Let's add all the digits and see. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. And 20 plus 7 is 27. Is 27 divisible by 9? Okay, let's add and see again. 2 plus 7 is 9. Therefore, 27 is divisible by 9. So, 2,979 is divisible by 9. We wanted to check if 2,979 is a multiple of 9. So we added all the digits. The digits are 2, 9, 7, and a 9. So we added everything. We had 27. We wanted to check if 27 is divisible by 9. So when you add 2 and then 7, 2 plus 7 is 9. Yes, 9 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 2,979 is divisible by 9. Alright, learners, let's look at the last example and then we move on. You have 6,731. 6,731. I want you to check if it is divisible by 9. You have just 30 seconds to do it. And it starts now. Alright, your time is up. Let's do it together and see. We have to add all the digits. 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 1. So here we can add 7 and then 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. And is 17 divisible by 9? When we add 1 and then 7, 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 is not divisible by 9. So 6,731 is not divisible by 9. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Learners, before I leave, I have a task for you. So this is what you will do when you are free. Circle all the numbers that are divisible by 9. Circle all the numbers that are divisible by 9. I will give you some numbers. You circle all the numbers that are divisible by 9. And these are the numbers. As I write, you also write it in your book. And you do it when you are free. So let's start. The first one is 216. You have 383. $435. 38,735. 5,976. 7,326. 9,999. 765. 45,000. 861. 1,088. Learners, these are the numbers. Circle all the numbers that are divisible by 9. Let's go through again. You have 216, 383, 435, 38,735, 5,976, 7,329, 9,999, 765, 45,861, and the last one, 1,088. You have to circle all the numbers that are divisible by 9. Learners, it has been nice being with you. Until we meet again in our next lesson, have the best of the day.